Good day, everyone, and welcome to Vlogtober the 23rd. Yes, 23rd. I'm almost done with this freaking month. And had I thought about it before I got that video uploaded yesterday, I would have reshot it. Could you tell I was a little stressed in the last video, by the way? You know, I didn't think of what to title it, like Vlogtober sucks, until I had already edited it. It was rendered and I was uploading it and I was typing the info into YouTube. And I was thinking, oh man, I could do such a better video. But it was already 4:30 in the morning at that point. So I was like, I gotta get up in the morning. I said, I don't have time to reshoot and re-edit this. So that's what you got. Today I have to go to, which it's almost 6 o'clock. It's almost 6 o'clock now in the afternoon. Today I got a few things to do around the house. I gotta do the dishes. I've got to clean up downstairs. I have to do laundry. And I have to go to the grocery store. Of course, I'm not going to the grocery store now. I'm only in there an hour or so. So I will clean up everything and then head off to the store and then, I don't know, see what happens tonight. See where this video goes. Because you never know. Just never know. Anyway, I just got back from the grocery store because I decided to go ahead and go because I still need dinner. And it's almost 7 o'clock. I could have probably threw something together, but yeah, I needed to go anyway. Also, I picked up these finally. Well, they used to make this cake called apple flips. I absolutely loved those things, and of course they got discontinued, like so many other things that I love. And if I like something, it's gonna get canceled or discontinued. The RBQ, for instance, love that thing. It's gone. There's shows on TV that get canceled after like 1 or 2 seasons and like, oh, we felt like it reached a natural ending. I was like, that bullshit, that's the worst ending ever. That's a cliffhanger. So I get to enjoy those like 1 season out of the year, which I guess I'll take it until they finally just discontinue those. There's probably something in them that's killing people. So now I gotta put these groceries away, figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner, start laundry and clean up downstairs because downstairs is pretty dirty. Yeah, you can tell I definitely haven't vacuumed or anything in a while. See you soon. Something else I forgot. Tonight is Critical Role night. And as you can clearly see, I'm not caught up on last week's episode. I don't think I've been behind on Critical Role for well over a year. I guess that's it for now, guys. Where's that noise again? I heard that before too, and that sounds strangely familiar to me. Let's sneak down there. That's my RC helicopter. Yeah, it's missing. Usually sits right there. Here's the controller. Looks like I'm going to have to set another trap. I probably shouldn't have said that out loud. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you tomorrow if I don't get attacked in my sleep by a helicopter. This place is weird. Where I am.